Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to zoom in and zoom out on a Mac using keyboard shortcuts. This is a quick way to make text, images, and other content easier to see without changing your display resolution. To get started, press the Command key and the plus key at the same time in apps that support zooming, such as web browsers, documents, and many productivity apps. Each press increases the zoom level. To zoom back out, press Command and minus. If you want to return to the default zoom level, many apps also support the Command and 0 shortcut. Keep in mind that these shortcuts affect the content inside the app rather than the entire Mac screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more Mac and iPhone tips and tutorials. If you want to zoom the entire screen using only the keyboard, first open System Settings, select Accessibility, then choose Zoom. Turn on the zoom feature and enable keyboard shortcuts for zooming. Once enabled, you can press Option, Command, and equal sign to zoom in and Option, Command, and minus to zoom out. You can also press Option, Command, and 8 to quickly turn screen zoom on or off. This is especially useful when reading small text or presenting something on your screen. If the zoom feels too strong, you can return to the zoom settings and adjust the maximum zoom level to make navigation more comfortable. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Delft Stack tutorial.